ତମେ ରଖିକି ପଢାପଢି କରିଥାଅ, ମୁଁ ଏଟା ପରେ କଲ୍ କରୁଛି। हेलो
हेलो भाई।
तो किधर जा रहे?
तुम लोग बोलो।
नॉर्थ वेस्टलैंड।
जॉन किधर?
नॉर्थ वेस्ट या नॉर्थ ईस्ट
आप नॉर्थ जाइए, मैं नॉर्थ और वेस्ट के बीच में जाता हूँ, उसको सिग्नल की तरफ जाने दीजिए सत्या को।
सिग्नल नॉर्थ वेस्ट ओके ठीक।
नॉर्थ वेस्ट बोलो, क्या बोलता है सत्या?
हाँ मेरे वो तीनों ही वही लाइन में है, तो मैं किधर भी जा सकता
आवाज कुछ तो एक बाहर से आ रहा है, तो ठीक है चलो। तो ठीक है ना?
पूरा
ठीक है चलो।
ना ना
तो मैं
गाड़ी ऐसी चलोगे?
सिग्नल के पास जा रहा ना।
तो बोल तो सही, तो क्या बोल रहा है? कट हो रहा है आवाज तेरा, आधा अधूरा, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
मैं सिग्नल के पास जा रहा हूँ ना।
करेक्ट। हाँ
अच्छा स्टार्टिंग है।
Command C.
Ok. Ku. J. Ikho. Batne.
क्या सत्य का वो डिनर हो गया?
Bantelgo.
छोले
क्या?
डोसा
J.
एंड
इस
चिली
साला
पनीर।
सुबह का
अजय
बचा हुआ या क्या?
अजय अजय बाहुड़ा नो नॉन वेज एट होम।
Heck.
जगन्नाथ रीच्ड होम, तो
Ok.
ठीक है।
Aksak.
एनीवे
Batne.
चलियो।
Aksak. 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 Ok.
Goth Aztec Poles, Armenian Jurchens. Who's Jurchens?
J. Aksak. Aksak.
Chandan Babu is going northwest. আরে দেখি রেস্ট করি চলছে। Josh Taramella. So why did you start? I was
We can
there
stop
now.
if you want to play.
Nah, once started, we can't stop the juggernaut.
But nay.
Because it is Jagannath.
इकडे बहुत पूर्ण व्हिडिओ कडे
Ikho,
दाखवताला.
Antelgo.
And he's
Oh,
pronouncing
cool.
Jagannath as
Antelgo.
Juggernaut.
Ikho.
Mm.
Ok. Cool. Ikho. Bantelgo. Bantelgo. Ok. Ikho. Bantelgo. Ok.
1930s na empty
Ikho.
video.
Oh, cool. Bantelgo.
अरे
Mhm.
Ok.
I am only going to make cavalries, nothing else.
Only going to make two stars.
But nay. Axe.
Ok. Ach, zack. Ach, zack. Ach, zack. Bandne. Ach, zack. Ach, zack.
Jane. Outside.
Het. Ach, zack. Ok.
Outside. That's cool. Ok. Axe.
Bandne. Aktion. Komance. Aktion.
But nay. Outside. 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 Axe.
Het. Aktion. Aktion.
J. Outside. Axi.
Ok. Ach, zack, zack. Onani. Bandne. Ok. Ikho, Bantelwon. Ach, zack. Aktion, 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 Aktion.
Ok. Ikho. Bantelwon. Ku. Ok. Ikho. Ku. Bantelwon. Ikho. Sakonan. J. Ok. Bantelwon. Sakonan. Matne.
Achsi.
Outside. Outside. Axi.
WhatsApp. जॉन आप कहाँ हो?
अभी फ्लैग किधर कह रहे हो तुमने? क्या था वो?
शायद एनिमी था।
Why? Dravidians.
Ok.
Aktion. Komance Bandne. Ach, zack. Aktion, 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 Aktion. Coup. Acht zack. Acht zack. Acht zack. Acht zack.
J, but nay.
Cool. He's trying to do cool.
Command
554.
Oh.
Commander Roach. 584, 68, 48, 68, 48.
Ikho.
J, ok. Axe. Aksak. Aksak. Axe. But nay. Aksak.
Don Bhai under attack.
Het. Acht zack. Aktion. Aktion.
Mr. John running away, but one villager dead. Second villager dead. Third villager about to die. Third villager dead. Fourth villager saved.
Bantne.
And one enemy died.
Aksak. Axe.
Enemy dead. Operation successful. Still villager attack. Done by with great effort. Trying to bring up another town center. Some 6 villagers killed one horse.
Bantelwon. Acht zack. Acht zack. Acht zack. Acht zack.
Scout cavalry scouting. And John Bhai is killing and one killed. The second one is going to be killed.
Aksak.
But there is an archer attack also. Three horse riders killed by John Bhai and collecting stone. But still there are archers and they got killed again. And then again skirmisher and archers came and again they have killed one. And one more skirmisher is killed.
Acht zack.
John Bhai doing great, but slowing down because of the attack. There's a continuous attack from enemy. Now since the horses are down, enemy is attacking with the archers and skirmishers. John Bhai is continuously building houses to build the wall. And the struggle is on. Yellow has also started attacking Mr. John Bhai. But while there is an active attack on John Bhai on the second TC, John Bhai with the aggressive TC instance build one near the enemy. So enemy is telling Kanda chodi bhi, and they are attacking. John Bhai is lowering archers and killing them. One lady kills 3 archers. No, this got saved.
You have to explain, John Bhai, what is Panda Chodi.
That is star beep beep. And again the archer attack has come and they have... Oh no. Archers are tricking John Bhai.
Comanche.
John Bhai is breaking the house what he is building. Telling no. थोड़ा सा construction and उनका architect ने बोला कि no, can't build this, build here.
Achsak.
Instead of archery range, John Bhai is building stable. Barrack is already built, but that is just to scare the enemy,
Achsak. Achsak.
and it's idle. And John Bhai's market is under threat.
Comanche.
Only
Achsak. Achsak. Achsak.
20% left. 15% left. 2% left. 4% left.
Achsak. Achsak.
Once the market is broken, and then one archer dead, but no one was. John Bhai is under constant threat, and his market is down. Wherever he made market, enemy is making the town center. Kind of, this is my city.
Orc. Bantne. Comanche.
दो लोग आ गए भिंडी
Heck.
John Bhai thinking this is joke, but it is serious. He's laughing it out. But John Bhai's bhindi, there are so many bhindis and the gold and mines on the north side, but he wants the enemy's
Orc.
bhindi.
J.
That's why the threat is there. Constant attack is happening. Chandan Bhai is making his wall and greatly staying and prosperous life. Sea beach, sea view, villas.
Welcome, Chandan. Welcome. Have patience.
नहीं चल रहा है डिपेंड कर रहा है कुछ
John Bhai will hold on. I'll come.
John Bhai is making castle. He's saying he will defend. But one
That's all.
archer is doing ungli.
But nay.
But I have no gold. What's that?
John Bhai का पहला knight recruit हो गया है, and it is coming. Knight is telling तुम बनाओ castle, I'm there, but doing nothing. And the castle attack starts. Archer एक के बाद मर रहे हैं. Enemy archer on, but enemy got around 10 plus. Some 10 archers are dead. Another 10 archers stayed. 10, 12 archers. Whereas yellow ने नाम के लिए जैसे like Sunil, they have sent just 2 horses and to defend, but once they are dead, they are happily staying behind.
Bantne. Orc.
रोड तो मारा साले में मेरा इतना भी मार दिया
Achsak. Chakonan.
John Bhai is
Achsak.
constantly.
Achsak. Unane.
John Bhai proceeding to Imperial Age and recruiting 3 knight riders.
J. But nay. Achsak. 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 Achsak.
John Bhai recruiting 5 knights, 4 villagers, 3 town centers. John Bhai is short of gold,
Homanta.
a
Bante.
lot of food, little bit of food.
Comanche.
John Bhai is planning for a second castle. Not planning, just thinking that we'll do.
Achsak. Aksak.
Board meeting is on. They're saying Imperial Age. As soon as we go Imperial Age, they're
Aksak.
saying that we'll go for a trebuchet and attack. John Bhai is and again proceeding for another castle. But enemy monk is here. He wants to take the relic. John Bhai doesn't care about the relic. It's there. Let it be there.
J.
John Bhai's
Heck.
war director is telling, ईट का जवाब पत्थर से देंगे.
Aksak. Aksak.
So he's making the Patthar castle. Enemy skirmisher are still attacking, and John Bhai's
Aksak.
uh,
Aksak.
um,
Aksak.
research will be halted in between, and all will be cancelled because he's not taking care of anything. Doesn't care. John Bhai's blacksmith research will be cancelled instantly, and all the money will be lost because his blacksmith is down. Enemy archers approaching, and enemy is telling पत्थर का जवाब हम देंगे siege ram से. John Bhai is not aware of anything. He's just enjoying his two castles, thinking that it will stand forever. But enemy has different plans.
But nay.
Enemy has built ram, but they don't know where to come out because they have closed everything. And here comes the attack from Chandan Nayak, killing innocent villagers. This is war crime.
Bantne. Aksak. Onani.
Satya is thinking of attacking and he's attacking. But defended well by the enemy. एक हाथी को मारने के लिए 10 सुअर आते हैं. That's what enemy is telling.
Ok. Aksak.
Everything looks under control. Mr. Satya is in Imperial, but he's not sending his trebuchets, but his trebuchets are coming very late. Mantravi opened for the castle, and then they're fighting under town center, and it's late. Still, it's late. John Bhai is back and trying to recover his economy while others attack.
Comanche.
Satya got around 9 villagers in idle.
Aksak. Onani.
John Bhai 2 villagers idle. Chandan Nayak 1 village idle. He's housed and he doesn't have more houses. Elite Urmi swordsmen are chasing
J.
Satya Prakash Jena, but Satya Prakash Jena has lot of numbers. They have around 26 eagle warriors.
Aksak. Aksak.
26 elite eagle warriors fighting with the villagers.
Aksak. Aksak. Aksak.
Yellow has sent his army and telling, actively defending my buddy. John Bhai is not interested in the war. He's trying to build his houses and his sea view villas are under construction.
Oh no.
Comandze. Jebio.
Guardians.
Walk.
Chandan Naik backing out because of the halberdiers. He'll fight under his castle,
Jebio.
but it looks like they are retreating. Enemy is retreating. So, but enemy will cunningly kill all trebuchets. All trebuchets are down. John Bhai is accumulating his what do you say? Knight Riders, Cavaliers, accumulating and accumulating. It's just started constructing. I don't know where he's building.
Jebio. Jebio.
Yellow retreating, actually regrouping, not retreating. Yellow is retreating. And Satyakor, Typhus, they are all gathering to kill Satya. Satya's army is under threat. All the without shoe eagle warriors are trying to match up the archers of Mans, Kipchaks.
Okay.
But yellow told no, will defend. And yellow is joining arms with Kipchaks and attacking Satya. Le Satya teri ka P mein P.
Ah, sak. Sak. Unani.
Satya is under threat. All his trebuchets will go down. While Chandan Naik is clearing Wuvudu, Hungzong, Guangzong. All the army attacking Satya. Satya is actively defending, but
Comandze.
doesn't look like he will stand for some time.
Sak. Ah, sak.
He got only 5 to 10 minutes to defend. His army is coming from home, not from the base.
अरे घर को पढ़ा ना लड़ू तो कहीं बुद्धि नहीं ना कौन तेरा हारू तो फेरिया पड़े ना भाई तो गो बैक
हाँ ना वीरो जातक के फेरस तो नहीं कौन केरस तो नहीं
अरे भाई डोंट गो होल्ड हियर
ना
कि मैं लड़ाई रो
and here goes Satya's army down and now the enemy army are going towards Satya's base.
जॉन इधर किधर
Hawk. Ah, sak. Ah, sak.
Jay.
Okay.
Outsak. Sakonan.
Comandze.
जॉन भाई आते आते सब खत्म हो चुका होगा जल्दी आओ भाई तो घोड़े बना रहे थे कहाँ गया वो बंद क्यों नहीं हुए वो I don't see horses. Where are the horses? They are just cute. बंद क्यों नहीं रहे वो लोग
Jay. Sakonan. Sakonan.
जॉन भाई वापस चले जाओ ट्रबूशे लेके आओ वो लोग घुसा दो नहीं तो क्या खड़े हो गए।
एलिट है ना कैसल पे मार तो सिर्फ you don't need castles
Don't need trebuchets.
हाँ sorry
मर गए वो लोग
Enemy concentration on Satya, trying to destroy them, but there is a group of halberdiers and cavaliers defending actively.
Comandez.
Cian is telling no resources to build. Pink is telling help, enemy in my town. जॉन भाई वो सब छोड़ दो उसको कंट्रोल मत करो, बाकी घोड़े बनाओ लेके आओ, बस ये सब मरने दो।
घोड़े
एग्रेसिव देकर छोड़ दो। यू आर मतलब तुम्हारा ये हो गया, घर बनाओ और 15 मतलब 3 घर
हो गया भाई, अभी तक तो पूरा लिमिट हो गया।
190। अरे ये घोड़े कहाँ हैं आपके, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब सब क्यों कर रखा है लेकिन कहीं दिखते नहीं है वो। अच्छा
घोड़ा क्यों बनेगा उसका?
वो
कौन
का
था
देख रहा हूँ, अच्छा चंदन का देख रहा हूँ। ओह ओके, माय मिस्टेक।
अभी से नाइट बोल रहा है सतीश।
हाँ मैं चंदन का ऑन करके आपका देख रहा हूँ।
कोई बात नहीं।
बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटे छोटे रिपोर्टिंग गलतियां होती रहती हैं।
एग्जैक्टली वही बोलने वाला था मैं भी।
Comandez.
Looks like everything is under control. Friendlies are on offensive and foes are under defensive mode, and they are constantly asking help. The enemy is my town, in my town. Grey is also telling help, enemy in my town. अरे सब कुछ बोलेगा help enemy in my town. चला बचाने आएगा कौन? So the yellow is saying, here is some wood, take, enjoy. Pink is asking, wood please. Yellow is helping. लो wood लो, बहुत है.
Jebio. Jebio.
ये लोग रिसोर्सेज एक भी नहीं रखते, पूरा मतलब छांट देते हैं, छोड़ते नहीं है।
That's the right way to play, no?
सबके पास इस बार 100, food 2, gold 52, stone 93. Okay, people resigned, but before they resign, they give all the resources to their friends to be noted.
उनको रिजाइन करो, सब रिजाइन करो।
खत्म। ग्रे को मारो बे, ये क्या कर रहा है? सत्य प्रकाश जना छोड़ दिया। आर्मी इकट्ठा करके छोड़ दो ग्रे के ऊपर, अब इधर उधर मार रहे हैं। ओके
J. Orc.
trading with the enemy market. Grey is trading with the enemy market. Where is that?
Unani.
कहाँ पे है enemy market? भेजा है। And this is the end of a glorious fight and a starting of new dawn.
ये उनको परेशान करने में पूरा जिंदगी चला था, कुछ नहीं करता है। चंदू एक बार रिकवर कर लिया था, रिकवर मतलब तैयार हो गया था।
यस यस, अपने अच्छा डिफेंड किया। एंड हुस्काल्स एंड कैवलरी गुड कॉम्बो।
डेडली कॉम्बिनेशन। मजा नहीं आया चंदू।
4 वर्सेस 3 में मजा नहीं है क्या? 5 वर्सेस 3 करे।
ज्यादा हो जाएगा।
हाँ मतलब people have to play out of the skin।
क्या?
ठीक है, और एक कर देते हैं। सतीश भाई खेलेगा या खाली कमेंट्री करेगा?
सतीश आज कमेंट्री भयंकर किया है भाई, मजा।
बोल भाई, इनवाइट
मजा
करना है
नहीं
तो
आया, पैसा नहीं मिलता तो मजा नहीं आता है।
बंगलो होता है।